I am Sai Pramoda. I'm from Hyderabad and I've joined the course of coding for biologists in Biotecnika. I have learned a lot from this course. The course was well structured and was very practical. It was hands-on experience. It gave us a very good insight on coding for beginners. Um, and also the instructors were very helpful and they were interactive and they were always readily available, and this was a very good experience from Biotecnika, and it was a very good investment for my study journey. Thank you.